All right, so in this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the viewport here, the outline um, panel, the outliner right here, and the properties panel. So let's say we select this cube right here. In the outliner panel, you'll see our little cube. If we select the camera, it'll select the camera and the viewport, and same thing with the light. So this is mainly honestly a collection of objects in your scene in the viewport. So that's the gist of that. um, Select, sorry, select your cube, and then go to the properties panel. So in the properties panels here, it'll show you, let's call it, a lot of details about the object itself, like the cube, its transform, its relations, instances. You can even add some modifiers here, and later you'll learn about those. Let's say you want to add a material to it. This is where you do that, and so forth. All right, so and then last here in the bottom, this is I think the timeline, and as you see in each panel, there's the little drop down. If you change any of this, you can get different options and use them to make modifications to your work. But this is the basics. Just your layout here, the viewport, the outliner, the properties panel, and your timeline. Usually your timeline is used for things like animation, but we'll go and get into that later. All right, so one big thing that you might want to do is like, hey, I want to have more than two viewports. Well, you can go to the viewport and the properties, like right in between them, and you'll get this double arrow. Right click and do, like, let's see, vertical or horizontal, just depends on you, and then move it along the panel that you want to split. So, and there, that way you have both. But let's say you want to change this up. You want to have a shader so you can do a few things to the cube. You can, or go back to 3D viewport and click like one or two so you can have a different view of it. And again, you can do this to all of these different panels. You can even get rid of this. So let's go to double arrows here, join areas, and see where you get that little arrow. So you're joining down here, so this would be gone. And so again, you could do the same, join areas. Awesome. And let's say you want to swap areas, again, you swap. It's pretty easy and intuitive. You join here, you join the areas here. Let's see, right there. I'll make sure we have our, where's our screencast keys? Not sure where they are, but they'll be here eventually. Let's see. Vertical, nope. Horizontal, there, and then we can add back our timeline. There we are. See? Good. All right. And I hope that helps you learn a little bit about your layout. In the next video, we'll go over how to navigate in the 3D viewport with your objects, and I'll show you a few shortcuts. All right. Till then.